Welcome all. I am UV Manoj Kumar, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Vignan's Foundation for Science, Technology and Research. Today, I am here to discuss about role and importance of mathematics in engineering. This is a part of our bridge course offered to first year BTech students who joined in our university. So, first we discuss what is engineering. The main motto of engineering is to make the fruits of scientific experiments which are done in a laboratory framework to available to the common people at affordable cost in terms of both money and also in time. As an engineer, you have to understand physical concepts, analyze physical systems mathematically, and design new physical systems which work as per your requirement. So where we need mathematics in this? To analyze physical systems. So as I already mentioned you, what is the motto of engineering education? Scientists invent new things, but they invent new things in a laboratory framework. They work there for several years, and the laboratory framework experiments are expensive in money also. But after a scientist invented a new thing, it should be reached to mankind at an affordable rate, at an affordable time also. Suppose if you want to inform some information to a distant place, to another continent, now instead of sending a post, sending a cable, you can email. Your email will reach quicker than your cable, isn't it? If your cable reaches first than if your cable reaches earlier than your email, is it any useful? No. So, whatever scientists invent in laboratory framework, that should reach common man at affordable cost and also time. Okay. So, that is what the motto of engineering education. So, you also should know science as like any physics student. You should also learn mathematics as like any other mathematics student, and you should have to apply both physics and mathematics and implement them in your engineering education and invent new things that are useful, readily useful for mankind. Suppose, for example, if you consider, scientists invented semiconductor electricity in lab framework. But an engineer made lithium ion battery out of it. And that lithium ion battery is there in your smartphone. You are using them regularly. So this is engineering. So a laboratory framework experiment of semiconductor electricity is there in your hands in the form of lithium ion battery. So this is what engineers has to do. For analyzing them quantitatively, you require mathematics. What do you mean by analyzing quantitatively? So, coming to the example of lithium ion battery itself, if you are charging your mobile phone, there it indicates the percentage of charging. So, it is what quantitative measurement. And when you are burning a disk, your system will show you at what rate it is burning. It is quantitative measurement. What amount of time further it requires, it is quantitative measurement. So, for quantitative measurement, you require mathematical methods, mathematical models. You should know which method is to be taken, which model is to be applied, and you should understand mathematical concepts also clearly along with the physical properties of the particular system. Okay. So, engineers' contribution to the society is great. As I already mentioned to you, inventions of the scientists will be only limited to lab frame if engineers are not there. Okay. This is engineering which made us to build sophisticated homes. Otherwise, we also have to live in caves like ancestors. See, this is a part of first generation computer, not entire computer. Part of first generation computer. See how big it is. Now, your laptop is like this. The new models of laptops are, you can use them in any angle, in any direction. Here I am showing you first generation camera, first generation phone, and also first generation clock. Now your smartphones are foldable, they are transparent, they are doing all the jobs. They are using as a phone, they are using as a camera, you are using them as a clock. Also, you are doing much more transport of data and many more things for your from your smartphone. This is the advantage of the technology, and which is because of engineers. Now we will see some real-time applications of mathematics. Here you are looking at a shopping mall where a person is counting money. Counting is a part of daily mathematics. Yes or no? Here I am also showing you advertisement given by a shopping mall about discount. Calculating discount comes under mathematics. Daily life mathematics. Stock market completely depends on mathematics. Foreign exchange also completely depends on mathematics. Some special cases. What I have shown you are common examples of day-to-day life mathematics. Now some special applications of mathematics we will see. Trigonometry is used to measure the heights of the peaks of the mountains actually without physically measuring them. Okay, isn't it a good example? Isn't it a good application of mathematics? Here, this diagram shows a biker who has to jump from a peak and reach other peak. So, in order to jump from that height and reach the other height safely, he should maintain a certain speed. What speed he has to maintain? It is better to calculate mathematically. Do you think you should try again and again through practice? What happens? Do you want to fall down from that height? No. You don't want to fall down from that height. So, mathematics helps you. So, if you are able to have a minimum idea of what speed you have to maintain, this task will go easily, isn't it? See here, a basketball player wants to throw ball into the basket. Even for this also, mathematics can help. Some interesting applications are improvising blurred images through mathematical transformations. So, when a person crosses the signal and traffic camera takes his bike number or car number, and if it is blurred, so transforms can help them. Transforms can help police people to identify the blurred image of the car number or bike number. Even now, we can clearly visualize the boy or girl who are in the womb of a mother. Technology developed to that extent, and there also we use mathematics. Mathematics also helps to measure areas of irregular shapes. Suppose a satellite is giving a picture of a lake-like thing on some other planet. So suppose if it is having water, what amount of water is there? You can measure through mathematics, not actually going to Mars. You can just by mathematics, you can find the areas and volumes of the irregular shapes. Even mathematics is there in nature. Whenever you see the clipping of cheetah chasing its prey, you may have observed that cheetah is not running in straight lines. Is it? Is cheetah running in straight lines? No. It takes a path so that it can change its speed as well as it can change its direction whenever prey changes its speed and direction. Such trajectories can be calculated through differential calculus and mathematics. So what is the use of this? If you know this, so this will work as basic concept behind design of a missile. A missile can hit a running target which can change direction at any instant. So the physical observation of the nature can made us to develop a defense system. Isn't it good? Many more applications are there for mathematics in our day-to-day life, and also it is important for an engineer to learn mathematics. Thank you all.